Well, I would like to tell you about my decision to go to acting school. I've always been interested in acting and the theatre ever since I was a little girl, so I'll say it's a passion of mine. I've always dreamt of taking part in a play or even a TV show. But even so, I wouldn't say it was an easy decision. Very few people succeed in acting in my country, and it's very difficult to get into the best acting schools. They tend to favour certain types of look, and it also helps if you have good connections. So I'll say it was a very risky decision of mine. And of course my parents weren't too happy about it, as you can imagine. What were the results? Well, I think so far I made the right decision by following my passions. It's a bit too early to talk about the practical results. I guess I'll find out and you'll see in a few years' time. But I recently auditioned for the main role in a play and I was offered the part, so far, so good. Why was it important to me? Well, this was a decision about my future, about my whole life. I could have chosen something to study, let's say, more reliable, like chemistry or medicine or mathematics. But instead, I took a bit of a gamble. And like I said, the time will tell whether I've made the right decision or not.